So this photography dealer was hoping to sell his 60 cameras for $250 each. Now this is what the answer choices look like. Do you really think that we should focus on the $250 price tag? That might not be the best idea given these answer choices. We're going to explore that right after this. So the first thing you want to do is glance at the answer choices because they give us a hint as to what we should focus on and what we shouldn't focus on. These answer choices all say some percent profit or loss. So when I go and read the problem itself and I see that $250, which a lot of people get really hung up on, I'm not going to worry too much about that number because it's not that important if what I care about is a percent profit or loss. What is important is the 20% markup that the camera dealer gets and what ends up being a 50% loss on the cameras that he's returning to the manufacturer. So I can already tell that the answer will be somewhere in between those two extremes, somewhere in between a 50% loss and a 20% profit. Now pause the video and ask yourself, will it be closer to negative 50% or closer to positive 20%? And why or why not? Well, note that the dealer is selling 9 times as many cameras as he's returning. Right? He's returning 6 cameras, he's selling 54. So logically, the answer should be much closer to the positive 20 than to the negative 50. But how much closer? Twice as close? 3 times as close? 9 times as close. He's selling 9 times as many cameras as he's not selling. The answer will be 9 times closer to positive 20 than it is to negative 50. So all we have left to do is to apply that to the number line and figure out where exactly is that point that is 9 times closer to positive 20% than it is to negative 50%. We've got a ratio of 9 to 1 for a total of 10 ratio units. And if we split this total number line, this whole number line has a distance of 70. From negative 50 to positive 20, that's a total of 70. Split that 10 ways, because we have 10 ratio units. And you realize that each ratio unit is worth exactly 7. So where on this number line is the answer? Well, it's going to be 9 ratio units away from negative 50 and only 1 ratio unit before the positive 20. So that puts you at the right answer, which is 13%. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.